Hi there, Vince from Collaborative Design. This is the Glide Laminate. Comes with two boxes. The first step is simply open the boxes. I've turned them upside down so you can open them with a box cutter. Simple and easy on a flat table. Second step, in one of the boxes you'll have the legs. Just take the legs out of the wrapping, put the casters on, and you're all good to go to the next step. The next step, you'll find at the bottom of the panel there are two slots, and they're for the legs to slide into. Now, the legs have got an open side at the top and a closed side. I like to use the open side facing in, and you just simply slot it in. Just wiggle it around till you feel it going in easily, and in she goes, no problem. Same on the other side, and job done. Pretty simple now, just lifting it up. Now, it's about 20 odd kilos. I can do it on my own, as you can see, but most people might want to have a second person, but she's ready to use and it's a great product. I hope you love the video and you enjoy using the Glide Laminate from Collaborative Design. Thank you.